Do you like your morning coffee out of a Keurig or a regular coffee pot? This is a regular coffee pot. I very seldom use it, but got it on standby just in case. Hubby likes his coffee out of the espresso machine. Okay, so today we're inside a client's house looking to see if we can buy it.
If you were to sell this, Mr. Hanson, what would you be looking to charge just to get it off your hands?
Well, I have to, look at owner Williams, places like that. You follow me?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
My guess is,
Lots going on. I hit new windows.
on a quick offer for it.
Right. We got it.
And this was done before.
They just tore this house up, basically.
It's right here.
Makes no sense.
Right. Now my thinking.
See, this is what renters sometimes do in your houses. That's why you have to make sure you get the right renters, because everybody ain't supposed to rent your house. They don't care. They won't take care of it like you would. Literally, this makes no sense. Why?
Right.
All the work that's needed.
Right.
And, let me see. I think now I can see a lot of things.
No, well.
Got a lot of Nancy in here too. It's Nancy.
Sure. Right. Give you the option.
I'd have to look at it. But you want to look? Go.
You said there's a lot of water down there?
No. I mean, this is.
A couple of tips when you're working with potential sellers of properties, distressed homes, is you want to build trust. Trust is so important in any relationship, but when you build trust with the potential seller, they are more inclined to work with you. Another thing you want to do is share your knowledge, but be respectful and listen to what they have to say as well. You also want to earn that respect. Respect is key. It's important. When you earn that respect, it kind of works in your favor for multiple reasons. You also want to empathize about the situation, because either
Yeah, look, it's blocking it out to work ain't gonna get done.
oh
It's
wow,
like a little basketball.
crazy.
It's, oh God, it's on its last leg. That does not work. Yeah, whenever you see rust at the bottom,
So this is about what, $2,000? Places, huh?
yeah, they have it installed.
Yeah, it could
Yeah,
be.
you're looking at about that. But the whole,
Yeah,
Well-
water got down here.
Now, about 2 or 3 years ago, I had this all replaced. Everything from the thing that from the gas line to including the burners.
okay, I understand, but you see this right here?
Yeah,
You see where it's orange?
yeah.
That's rust and water was in that. So that needs to be looked at by an HVAC professional.
Okay.
Another day out looking at property. So today we're working with a distressed owner who is just wanting out. He initially said he wanted to rent the property. Now he's saying he wants to sell. And as you can see, walking through here, it's a lot going on. In order to get this property up to rent, it's probably going to cost about anywhere from $20,000. New roof installed today. Got this house for $15,000, y'all. Put a roof on. Roof cost us $5,200 because they did some other stuff in the back as well. Great buy, wouldn't you say? Interested in learning how to invest in real estate? Give me a call. Hit us up. We can show you how to do it. Been doing it for a little over 30 years now. Make it happen, make it happen. That's what we do for our clients. We make it happen, and ourselves as well. So yeah, we gotta get the gutters done, but the roof was done. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope and pray you had an amazing day. So I'm just ending my day, working all day. I've been working since 7:30 this morning, y'all. Look, I got to do better as a business owner, so we'll talk about that another time. But I am ending my day. I had an inspection with one of my clients via FaceTime. We are working on closing on a deal that is as is, and I just want to emphasize what as is. As is, just like it states, as is. So there's no ifs, no ands, no buts, no why, no maybe, anything of that sort when you are purchasing a property as is. And especially if the seller clarifies that when you go under contract that the property is as is. That means whatever is going on with that property, you literally inherit that. Even if it's tenants involved in it, you inherit everything with that property as is once you go under contract. Why is this important? It's important to know when a property is as is, you're pretty much buying any problems that they had with it. Yeah, they had mentioned that they didn't repair that. Man, real quick, you haven't had any issues with that, have you? Okay, just wanted to make sure. Anything else? I wanted to call to find out what is the process for assuming a loan, a mortgage from someone. Here's the scenario. I have a client who has a home. His wife passed, and so he's the successor. And he's trying to just get all his options together of what it will take for him to either sell the property to someone who wants it, keep it in the family to their kids, or for somebody to assume the loan and just move on to get it current, because he's currently in a reinstatement period, but he does not necessarily want to keep the loan.
And I'm sorry, are you calling from the internal department?
Am I calling from what?
Internal, or are you representing this customer?
I'm representing the customer, yes.
Okay, do you have the loan number in question?
I do.
Get somebody from our AT team and see what information they can give you about this process itself. Bear with me, I'm going to place you in a brief hold.
Okay, thank you.
In the assumption of this property, is that correct?
Correct. Yes, my client, as I mentioned, or as mentioned several times, his wife passed, so he has the property. He's trying to decide whether he should sell it, pay the reinstatement fee, or if it's easier for somebody to just assume a loan. So I'm just calling to find out the process for that in regards to someone assuming the loan outside of the immediate family.
Yeah, so the loan itself wouldn't be assumable until it's brought current.
Okay.
It has to be out of any type of loss mitigation or active status. Let me just take a quick peek at some notes here. Bear with me.
Okay, thank you.
Aside from the fact that the party that would look at assuming it would have to, A, bring it completely current, which is about $13,359.50. On top of that, they'd have to pay off the partial claim of $22,864.98.
You said what kind of claim, ma'am? I apologize. You said what kind of claim?
It's a partial claim with HUD, meaning that at some point during this loan,
you don't start things and not finish them. You don't quit. There's nothing that comes out of quitting besides knowing that you didn't finish. We finish everything. You start it, finish it. If you're gonna do it to try and be the best. Not be better than other people, be the best for you.
This is real life every day. Come work with me. Day in the life of a property manager. I'm out here helping my clients get occupancy permits, and I'm climbing stairs while I'm working. Exercise, work, all in one.
Goes through your siding, down the siding, goes around, and it grounds to the ground right there, and with a lightning rod.
Okay, this is right there.
Yeah, that's your ground into the ground.
Yeah, and then they ground it up there, obviously. You know, it's the one on the very right is the ground.
Okay. Work is being done in the bathroom to get this short-term rental up and ready to go. Gotta make sure this unit passes Section 8 inspection.
Right in that hole, I don't know.
Because the gas has been on. Next stop, preparing for a real estate auction. Y'all, you get what you pay for. Why the heck does this look like this? Okay, so I have people that come to us after the fact that they've hired somebody else to do the work. And when they come to us, they're like, oh, I need this done, I need that done, or it didn't pass inspection. Okay, so first and foremost, we don't hire anybody unless they are licensed in that craft or in that skill, particularly electricity and plumbing, okay? So if you're an electrician, if you're a plumber, and you're licensed, then you're on our roll of qualified contractors. But I'm curious, you get what you pay for. I stress this to people all the time. This right here does not make any sense. Now, they could have simply just sanded this out. Look at that. That is simply ridiculous. And the person, they paid for it. And now they're asking us to come back in to get it corrected. Okay. So let's talk about how important it is to be your best self on a regular basis. So I work with a lot of different people, whether it's business coaching, whether it's real estate coaching, whether it's life coaching. And one thing that I always pride myself on and help others pride themselves on is being true to you. Being true to who you are, not trying to fake the funk, not trying to be, quote unquote, what society wants you to be. Because when you can stand in your truth and you understand who you are, whose you are, I say that all the time, and you can reflect on what it takes for you to be your best self, what it takes for you to not have to answer to somebody, what it takes for you to be true. Yes, life is a beautiful thing. As you can see, this is a decent light fixture. I mean, it's not dated at all, but what makes it dated is that rust right there. So quick simple fix, go ahead and paint that either silver again, make it gold, or even black to update it and bring it back to life. Quick, simple tips to rehabbing a home for rent or for sale.